Hey, Nomies, we're back. Did you see our last episode? There she goes. Crap.
Well, one piece of roof missing. It came off over here. It's stuck up around the chimney. So, hanging on till sunup. Holy crap. Calling for 12 more hours of this crap. Oh my goodness.
Talk about some wind. You should see the damage that was caused in 4 days. Time to fix our roof because you saw what happened to that. So we got some people coming over tomorrow, so we're getting stuff together and we got to get this roof back on because snow's coming right behind it. Time for a work day. You ready? Let's go.
So much for that idea.
Here we go. The wind finally quit blowing. Time to fix the roof. We got some help coming. Let's see what we got to do.
Well, as you can see up there, we only lost that one piece. Yeah, right there. We only lost that one piece. So we just got to get up there and clean some stuff up, replace one or two of them 1x, and yeah, get another piece of roof on there because it's going to snow tonight. Yeah, see them clouds?
Not good. Gotta get her done.
And what in the world? Oh, we got it! Meat! Oh. I need one of them. One of these. And I got a 1x in there somewhere. Somewhere, hopefully. Mostly. Yeah, it's down in there. That's what we're gonna need. And some of that stuff. Guess we better get a ladder too. Got the snow cleared out so we can get the ladder in here. Whew, what a mess. So what I'm thinking is the reason this came off here is that edge was sticking out. And I didn't have trim piece around the edge. So what it did was when the wind came whipping down the driveway here, tornado force, hurricane force, it grabbed that edge and just ripped it off. Unfortunately, it just took off that front leading edge. So that's all we got to replace, but we've got to put a piece of fascia on there, put a new piece of roofing, and gang is here. And we got one more person on their way to help. As soon as they get here, we'll be able to get going because it's going to snow.
I want to give a quick shout out to our new subscribers. We got a bunch of you guys that piled on here since the first of the year and right before Christmas. Welcome, 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 Nomies. Welcome to the gang.
Our help has arrived. Thank you, Aaron, for showing up, buddy. He's replacing that 1x4 on the front that split. And the rest of them look pretty good, so we should be good to go after we get that one on there. So we've got our little kickers on there now. Now we're going to put a fascia board on because I didn't have that on there before.
You have wood chips?
A couple maybe. Why, you need one for...
Well, how about you have a saw I can use out here?
Uh-huh. What do you need to cut?
Some of the 2x.
Sawzall work?
Sawzall work.
Sawzall would work.
Sawzall.
Okay, cool. Daniel, drop that board down and go grab that Sawzall, please.
Just bring it out. Bring it out.
There we go. Teamwork.
Oh.
how he no fall off.
Lots of points of contact. Lots of grits.
Yeah.
Well, there it is.
Yeah, there it is.
We're ready for the next windstorm. We got to trim that little end off, but I might have to adjust that back and forth because I got another roof to put on the front here over my porch one of these years. But Aaron, thank you so much, man.
My pleasure.
Appreciate you. Hey, who are you, by the way? Because I don't think we've ever introduced you. I've talked about what you do, but who are you?
I'm one half of the Aarons, and we own and operate K-Hits 107.1. Your valley, your music, your station.
Yeah, when we're out and about doing Know Me things, it's 107.1, the Valley station we listen to. Our valley, our music, our station. You know, if you don't live here in the valley, you can always do the Googlies. KHITZ 1071.com. It'll pull up. All you gotta do is hit that play button. Your valley, your music, your station, and we're willing to share. Check it out. Well, we got her and done, Nobies. Extra hands made that job so much easier because I can't get up on the roof and climb ladders anymore, let alone swing a hammer and stuff. Old age sucks. I tell you what, I want to thank Aaron especially for coming out here and giving us a hand today. He's one of the most amazing people I know. Runs that radio station with him and his fiance. Comes out here and helps when he can. And yeah, beautiful people doing beautiful things. Well, that's it for this one. Until next time. I'm a know-me, he's a know-me, she's a know-me, you're a know-me. Wouldn't you like to be a know-me?
Put your comment down on the bottom.
Click the subscribe down on the bottom. Click the like button.
Down on the bottom.
Make a comment.
Down on the bottom.
Peace out.